Hello, Clark team. The next video in our series is going to show you how to add these guides, the field guides that we've used throughout the site here, the identification. So on the back side here, of course, we come down to guides right here. That's what that's called. Click on that. As with the other items that we've looked at, it will show all of the items that have been entered onto the site for this category. It will typically just shows them in the order that they've been published. So, I like to click on the top of the title column so that everything's alphabetized. Again, you can always use the search function here to search. If there are more items in this set than what the screen options are set to show per page, then it will organize them into multiple pages. So you can see right here, we've got 2 pages worth. If we want to see them all at once, we can up this number. And now we just have all the items showing on one page here. So if we go into edit one of these, go. You can see we have the name of the animal or plant, we have the common name, we have the Latin name, we have the photo credit, and then we have the, definition or the identification of the back of the card text is what we're calling it here. And then, of course, the category that it belongs to. If you do decide to add a new category, that is as simple as clicking here and saying Add New Guide Category, and it will add it here, and you would be able to check that off. You can add items to multiple categories, although it doesn't seem like that will typically be used. We do have the macros and insects overlap, but we've got those as separate entries since the pictures look different. So I don't think clicking multiple categories on here is relevant, but you can if that situation does arise. And then there is the image as well. The image does need to be a particular size, which is 480 pixels wide by 360 pixels tall. That way we're going to guarantee that you're showing just the right part of the picture on that card on the front end and that they all align nicely. The second part then is to get that guide to show up on a page. I've just created a blank page here. There's nothing on it yet. And we just come down here, and then on the page we add what we call a short code, which is just this opening and closing square bracket with the word guides in it. And then down here at the bottom of the page, you can see we see all of the names of everything. It's going to be simpler to start over here with taxonomy. Let's say we wanted amphibians. Now it's filtered the results over here to amphibians, and we can just check which of these we want to show. They've all been added here. We'll just go ahead and publish this page temporarily so that we can see the results. And here on the page we can now see the amphibian guides. This can be reorganized however we want. Let's just get some Latin text here to play around with. So, we can put this guide wherever we want within the context of a page. You can see I've got it between these 2 paragraphs. And there we go. We've got our text above, we've got our text below, and we've got our guides in between. So it just becomes an element that you can organize or put wherever on the page that you want, just like everything else. Thanks so much.